Welcome to Mastering YouTube, 20 Proven Strategies for Creator Success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your YouTube game, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Strategy 1. Find your niche. Identify the topics you're passionate about and build your channel around them. Strategy 2. Plan your content. Create a content calendar to keep yourself organized and consistent. Strategy 3. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and make your viewers feel valued. Strategy 4. Collaborate with other creators. By teaming up, you can reach new audiences and create amazing content together. Strategy 5. Optimize your titles and thumbnails. Craft compelling titles and eye-catching thumbnails that entice viewers to click. Strategy 6. Use relevant keywords. Research and include keywords in your video description, title, and tags to improve search visibility. Strategy 7. Create enticing introductions. Capture your viewers' attention right from the start to keep them hooked. Strategy 8. Deliver value. Make sure your videos provide helpful or entertaining content that your viewers can't find anywhere else. Strategy 9. Utilize YouTube analytics. Track your progress, identify trends, and gain insights to optimize your channel strategy. Strategy 10. Promote your videos. Share your content on other social media platforms to broaden your reach and attract new viewers. Strategy 11. Create eye-catching end screens. Utilize end screens to promote other videos, playlists, and encourage viewers to subscribe. Strategy 12. Optimize your channel description. Write an engaging and keyword-rich channel description to attract subscribers. Strategy 13. Upload consistently. Set a schedule and stick to it to establish reliability and foster viewer loyalty. Strategy 14. Invest in quality equipment. Ensure your videos have good lighting, clear audio, and sharp visuals to enhance production value. Strategy 15. Polish your editing skills. Learn to craft compelling storytelling and make your videos visually appealing. Strategy 16. Experiment with different video formats. Try vlogs, tutorials, or challenges to keep your content fresh and engage your audience. Strategy 17. Cross-promote your videos. Include links to other relevant videos within your video to encourage viewership. Strategy 18. Establish branding. Create a consistent look and feel across your channel to make your content easily recognizable. Strategy 19. Stay up to date with trends. Keep an eye on what's popular and find creative ways to incorporate them into your content. Strategy 20. Believe in yourself. Confidence is key. Believe in your talent, be authentic, and never give up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. We can't wait to see you next time.